Have you been experiencing poor audio quality while using your Android device? Let's explore how Viper4Android can transform your listening experience with clearer, crisper sound. Viper4Android is a powerful audio enhancement tool designed specifically for Android devices. It uses advanced equalization techniques to improve the overall sound quality of your music and audio. Files. One of Viper4Android's key features is its ability to remove background noise, enhancing speech clarity for podcasts and video content. This makes it an essential tool for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Viper4Android offers a variety of equalizer presets tailored to different audio genres, allowing users to customize the sound output according to their preferences and the type of content they are listening to. To use Viper4Android effectively, download the app from your device's Play Store. Once installed, you can upload audio files and apply various enhancement settings to boost sound quality. Enhancing audio quality not only improves the listening experience, but also helps in reducing ear fatigue during long hours of use. This makes Viper4Android a must-have for content creators and frequent listeners. In summary, Viper4Android provides a comprehensive solution to enhance your Android audio quality by removing noise, improving clarity, and offering customizable sound settings for an immersive listening experience. So there you have it. Viper4Android is a powerful tool for enhancing your Android audio quality. Have you tried using it? Share your experiences in the comments below.